Okay, so this one is also another difficult part where sometimes you from a sector is like a pizza. So this term may not be new, may be quite new to you. It's like a shape in a shape of a pizza. So a pizza shape is like this one. Or it can be even a semicircle. Or it can be even a semicircle. So these two shapes, right, can be folded into a cone. Okay, so like for example, in this question, okay, this is going to be folded into a cone. So they describe the edges are being joined. So you imagine you put glue on the edges. So you're going to glue these two edges. So actually the two edges become the 17. So initially the radius, right? The radius of the pizza or the radius of the semicircle, it will become the slant height. And then this part, maybe this part is like the circumference, partial circumference. This partial circumference become a full circle. Okay, so from here, right, I'm supposed to find the base radius. So so some of you may have some issue with the calculation of this partial circumference. So what do I mean by this partial circumference? So this one is part of a full circumference. So like a circle, but it's only part of it. So what is the fraction? The fraction is based on the 140 degree. So this green color part that is the length of the green color part. And this green color part became a full circle. So this one become a full circle right now. So I'm going to use this 2 pi r equal to the full circle. Cancel the r. No, cancel the r, cancel the pi. And my base radius is 6 and 11 over 18 centimeter, which I didn't put in decimal. Okay, so if you're not very used to this idea, like fraction of a circumference, okay, not to worry. Sometimes it will give you a semicircle. A semicircle will be 180 over 360. That's why it's half of circumference. Okay, so I find the base areas, then I can find the height. So this is my base radius. So I'm going to do a Pythagoras with the height. So in this case, my height is actually not a very nice answer. So again, if it's not a very nice answer, I try to write a little bit more before I give the 3 SF. Let's check the answer. Okay, so even though I gave 3 SF, right, if I'm going to use it in the next part, I will not use a 15.7. I will use the long chain of decimal. So from here, I'm going to find my volume of the cone. So volume of the cone will be 1/3 pi r square times the height. So do use a lot of decimal. Otherwise, you find that your answer is very discounted. So you will get a chain of decimal. Write down that chain before you give to 3SF. Okay, so don't worry about the pizza thing. So the pizza thing is actually dependent on the angle. If I got very huge angle, instead of 140, maybe I got 200, then the pizza is very big. Okay, so that one is just, usually at Sec 2, maybe they will give you semicircle. At upper Sec, then they give you the pizza looking shape. But anyway, even if they don't give you the pizza shape, they can give you a semicircle. And if they are still being joined here, they put the glue here and they fold it up into a cone. So if you want to, you can try it at home. So you just use your compass, go and draw a full circle. And then you can fold it into half. You got 2 semicircles. So that's one of the semicircle, you can try folding it into a cone. So you can have a good visualization. Okay, visualize it because you might still see it in Sec 4. So some of the Sec 4, they couldn't visualize this. So while you are like still Sec 2, you got the time at home, try to go and fold it up. Okay, so that's one of the very common thing that they will ask you to do.